Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is of course JC LaForge, and today we are going to be looking at something that is very interesting. Today we are going to be looking at Seerr. Now imagine this scenario. One of your family members texts you at 11 p.m. They ask, can you add that new movie that I've been hearing about? And then you say, okay, sure. Then your cousin texts you the next morning. Then your brother texts you the same afternoon. Now, you will realize that this will be a pattern that gets embarrassing with time. You will be the unpaid customer support for your family. So if this sounds familiar, if you run Jellyfin, Plex, or Emby at home, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Today, I want to show you the tool that completely changes how you will manage your server. It's free, it's open source, and once you set it up, your family will manage themselves. Now, before I found this tool, my setup was a mess. Okay? I had a great server, I had the best library, I also had fast hardware, but the management side was all on me. Basically, if someone wanted to know if a movie or a show was available, they had to text me to find out. If someone wanted to request something new, they texted me as well. If someone wanted to know the status of their request, you guessed it, they texted me. I tried shared spreadsheets, family group chats, even ignoring people didn't really work. Then I found Seerr, and honestly, I wish I had found it early. So Seerr is, in simplest of terms, a request and discovery manager for your home media server. Think of it as the front door for your home library. Instead of people texting you, your family will open Seerr, they will search for the movie or show they want, they will see that you already have it in your library, and then if something is missing, they will click request. The request will then land in the dashboard. If you review it and approve it or decline, no more messages, no more back and forths, no more being the middleman. The first time I heard about this tool, I assumed it would be complicated. I was wrong. Seerr runs in Docker. If you have never used Docker before, think of it as like installing an app, but for your home server. You write a short config file, you print at a media server, you log in, and that's pretty much it. The documentation, you can find it at docs.seerr.dev. I'll put in the description below. And they have like a step-by-step install guide, easy to follow even for beginners. So I had mine running in under 30 minutes, and that included me getting distracted, watching some of my own content. But the real magic isn't just the setup, it's what you can do once it's running. Here is something that I didn't expect to love. Seerr has a granular permission system. Basically, granular means very detailed, very specific. You control what each person can do. My parents can request a movie, but my approval is needed first. My friends can request TV shows, and their request will be auto-approved. I'm basically the admin of a mini streaming service, but the service runs itself. And there is one small detail about the permissions. This, I think, is really clever. Now think about this. You can let users request individual seasons, not the whole show. Let's say you just want them to get only individual seasons. You can do that. Just one season that they want. That sounds small, but it saves a lot of storage and space, especially now that storage is very expensive, and also saves a lot of time as well. This is just one of the smart little details that shows you how thorough this app really is. But there is more. There is something even better that I haven't told you about yet. Now listen to this. This is like something that really actually surprised me. When I showed Seerr to one of my friends, she didn't need any instructions. She searched for a movie, she saw the poster, clicked request. She thought I had bought us a real streaming service. That's because Seerr's interface looks very polished. It pulls in movie and show information from the public databases, posters, descriptions, ratings, etc. And even when what's already available in your library, it's gonna grab that and make it more organized and show it in a way where people will understand what's actually going on. So people will stop asking you for things that you already have. And it's really fully mobile friendly. So approving requests while you're away pretty much takes 3 seconds. But there is also one last piece that I want to tell you about. This is the glue that ties the whole thing together. So one of the biggest frustrations with home servers is that request disappears into a black hole. Someone requests something, then, they had no idea when it's ready. So they text you again. Seerr fixed this with notifications. When a request is approved, the user will be notified. When the media is available, the user also gets a notification. You can do notifications pretty much with email, Discord, Telegram, Slack, and Seerr supports all of them. My family now knows exactly where the request is without asking me, without texting me, not even like anything really. The whole system just runs. So let's bring this all together. If you run a home server and you are tired of being the personal support team for your family or your friends, Seerr is the tool that fixes all of that. It gives your family a clean, polished interface to discover and request media. It has permission system so that you stay in control of who gets what and who gets to see what or requests what. It notifies everyone's automatically, so people will stop texting you. It's completely free, it's open source, it has 10,000 stars on GitHub, probably more, and it works with Jellyfin, Plex, and Emby. The link for the project will be in the description below. And if you are already running Overseerr or Jellyseerr, there is a migration guide that makes switching very easy. If you want to see the full Docker setup step by step, let me know in the description below. I'll see you there. That's pretty much it, guys, for my video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.